Let's proceed to the chromatic number of the graph. Chromatic number of the graph. Minimum number of colors needed to color a graph. So that no two edges connect the same color. The following are the example of a chromatic number of the graph. Remember, the chromatic number of the graph is the least number of colors needed to make a coloring. Coloring graph step. Step 1. Choose a vertex with highest degree and color as many vertices as you can. Without coloring vertices joined by an edge of the same color. Step 2. Choose a new color and repeat what you did in step 1 for the vertices not already colored. Step 3. Repeat step 1 until all vertices are colored. So, in the first example, what do you think is the chromatic number of the graph? If you experiment with different coloring, you will find its chromatic number is 3 because there are 3 colored: yellow, light blue, and green. Number 2. We are all see that there is a 4 edge. In a 4 edge, there is 2 colors, orange and pink. So the chromatic number is 2. Another example is example number 3. We have a 5 edge and the chromatic number is 3. Brown, pink, and orange. Example, what do you think is the chromatic number of the graph? If you said 2, then you're right because there are 2 colors required, light blue and peach. So the chromatic number is 2. Let us all remember, the chromatic number of the graph is the least number of colors needed to make the coloring. It's possible that the coloring we're looking at is a least number of colors needed, and it's possible that it's not. But if we're told that this is in a fact the minimum coloring, then we can determine its chromatic number just by counting the numbers of colors. Again, just by counting the numbers of colors. When you're asked to color a graph, you should choose a vertex with highest degree and color it. Use the same color to color as many vertices as you can without coloring vertices joined by an edge of the same color. Then choose a new color and repeat what you did in step 1 for vertices that are not already colored. You're going to repeat step 1 until all the vertices are colored. That's all for the chromatic number of the graph.